As a result of rapid developments in the military, an arms race has occurred that has resulted in new dangers and difficulties. In response to these new threats, Israel developed some of the world's most effective air defenses, namely the Iron Beam, a laser weapon that is highly effective and capable of destroying hypersonic missiles. Unlike conventional missile interception systems that use accurate projectiles, this technology uses a powerful laser to harness the energy of focused light. This is only the beginning of the effectiveness of such weapons, and there's a great deal more to come. The most significant advantage of this system is that it has no ammunition limitations, because Iron Beam is an energy-based missile defense system that can be fired multiple times without the need for ammunition, unlike typical missile defense systems with a limited number of interceptors that can be carried in service. It offers a significant advantage in long-term defense against a wide variety of incoming threats thanks to its infinite magazine capacity, which makes it the preferred choice when swarms of enemy aircraft are present, ranging from simple kamikaze drones to supersonic ballistic missiles. The Iron Beam, on the other hand, targets from a distance autonomously. Identification, tracking, and engaging targets without human assistance is a revolutionary capability in modern combat, where every second counts. By detecting and destroying threats in real time, the anti-aircraft installation minimizes the risk that a missile will strike its target. Another characteristic that distinguishes this laser is its light speed. Its ability to launch lasers at light speeds, such as against hypersonic missiles that fly at enormous speeds, is unparalleled. This instantaneous response reduces the time between target recognition and interception, allowing the system to repel rapid attacks more effectively. Aside from its ability to deter hypersonic missiles, the Israeli brainchild also has other capabilities. Various threats can be combated with their accuracy and fast response, such as crewless aerial vehicles, cruise missiles, artillery shells, and mortar mines. Adaptability to different threat scenarios makes the system an effective, comprehensive defense solution. As Israel fights against Hamas terrorists in these difficult times, Iron Beam is an essential component of its military policy. By using this system, hundreds of rockets are fired into Israeli cities every day from the Gaza Strip. In addition to other types of air defense, Israel almost achieves 100% results in shooting down airborne threats, and Iron Beam's ability to defeat such attacks aligns with its interest in protecting its people, borders, and critical infrastructure. The laser technology is an excellent advance in defense technology, but it's not without its challenges. For laser technology to be integrated and to perform flawlessly in real-life defense scenarios, many challenges must be overcome for it to be integrated and to perform flawlessly. It is crucial to continuously innovate and improve technologies such as power generation, heat control, and integration with modern military architecture. As a result, you won't see widespread use of these weapons because they're still being tested. But that's not all. It is a fact that Israel began experimenting with laser technology in the mid-1970s, when it was a purely experimental research and development project that laid the foundation for the study of laser defense systems. In the early tests, laser technologies were used for precision missile defense and targeting. After decades of testing, these programs evolved into more complex ones, thereby improving a futuristic technology. Laser technology significantly advanced in the Israeli scientific community in the 1980s and 1990s. It is important to note that Israeli research institutes and universities contributed funds to many laser-related disciplines, including high-energy physics, semiconductor materials, and optics, contributing significantly to laser technology development. The Israeli defense sector has also greatly benefited from research into possible military applications of laser technology. Research and development projects have focused on using lasers in defense systems for missile defense, precision weapons, and other military applications. In the early 2000s, Israel significantly advanced in applying laser technology to military purposes. It was through partnerships between the military, government, and commercial sectors that research efforts were accelerated, resulting in the development of laser-based defense systems, such as the Iron Dome, Iron Ray, and Iron Fist. These systems demonstrate Israel's capability to harness directed energy for defense, especially in the face of threats from drones and missiles. Israel has developed more laser technology than just defensive lasers. As a result of the nation's ingenuity, laser research has also been conducted in other vital areas, such as surgery, diagnostics, and medical treatment. In addition to this, Israel's position as a center for the development of laser technology has been strengthened by the widespread application of lasers in the fields of industry, scientific research, and telecommunications. As of 2023, Israeli lasers will be capable of reaching 100 kilowatts in power, in contrast to a few dozen a few years ago. The combat radius has also increased from 7 to 10 kilometers. As a result, if we are to put it in human terms, a laser that has a power of 300 kilowatts is going to be able to destroy a drone or an artillery shell in about 4 seconds. Shortly, however, we should expect to be able to use lasers with much better and other features. Israeli laser technology has become a world leader thanks to its strong commitment to research and development and a booming high-tech economy. The country has gained a technical advantage in the military and other industries due to its experience and ingenuity in optics, semiconductor materials, and high-energy physics. This has led to Israel's breakthroughs in laser systems. Israel develops innovative military systems in cooperation with several foreign partners, including its biggest ally, the United States. Laser technology is one example. These joint projects represent a determined effort to pool resources, information, and technical know-how for creating advanced defense solutions, demonstrating the common goal of diverting threats. It is the aim of Israeli naval ships to shoot down enemy air targets, whereas U.S. naval ships are equipped with lasers. Joint projects between the U.S. and Israel in laser technology led to innovations such as the Iron Dome and Iron Beam. To develop more reliable military systems, both countries actively participated in joint research, testing, and development, pooling their expertise and intellectual capital to create advanced weapons quickly. However, aside from its alliance with the United States, Israel cooperates with other nations. For example, European countries have participated in joint initiatives focused on the defense applications of laser technologies. Often, these collaborative efforts involve joint research, development, and information exchange, where the combined knowledge of the participating countries can be applied to solving mutual security problems. Unfortunately, there are few specifics yet, but it is evident that all parties are interested in creating something revolutionary and powerful despite the lack of specifics available. To be successful in this joint effort, it is essential to identify common security threats and recognize that the likelihood of finding creative solutions is increased when we work together. By pooling resources, it is possible to reduce the costs associated with research and development, especially for countries that would need help to organize their research. By aligning strategies and technologies, joint efforts enable seamless integration of systems and technologies. These alliances also demonstrate a commitment to interoperability and common defense interests. In this way, common threats can be successfully countered and seamless cooperation can be achieved during military operations. Without a standardized troop system, even the closest allies cannot offer assistance due to military skill differences. As well as the government's support and attention to research and development, there have been many positive outcomes. As a result of its investment in defense technology, Israel has been able to explore and implement unconventional military options such as directed energy weapons and high-intensity lasers, and has been able to become a pioneer in this field through its investment in defense technology. Several Israeli companies have developed laser-based weapon systems due to their ingenuity and ability to translate scientific discoveries into practical applications in a short time. This knowledge is not only essential to protecting the country's security, but it also demonstrates that Israel can make a significant contribution to the global military technical sphere. In particular, we're going to talk about other areas now. High-powered lasers can jam or damage enemy sensors, optics, and electrical systems in electronic warfare. By deploying high-powered laser systems that would interfere with enemy communications and surveillance systems, Israel could possibly disable or damage enemy sensors. By doing so, the enemy may have difficulty obtaining intelligence or attacking Israeli military bases successfully. Additionally, Israel could follow the United States' lead and begin using lasers to defend against ships. Laser technology offers a new strategy for maritime defense, providing an additional layer of protection against enemy boats and drones. Using lasers for anti-ship defense is a fast response system for maritime threats, including small enemy boats and crewless vehicles. High-energy laser beams can destroy or neutralize incoming threats, preventing ships from reaching their intended targets. It offers a flexible and affordable defense mechanism that enhances traditional naval defense systems. Israel's maritime security can be improved and its defensive position strengthened against future maritime adversaries by using laser technology in anti-ship defense in a fast and precise way to eliminate or prevent threats. Due to significant advances in laser defense systems, Israel is now at the forefront of modern defense innovation, placing it ahead of larger countries with superior financial resources. As a result of its significant technological progress in this area, Israel has been able to keep up with countries like the US, China, and Russia in developing the most advanced defense systems in the world.